What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys 10 easy hairstyles that I love to do that are easy for on the goes or just a quick easy hairstyle to do. And a majority of these will be showing off your curls, so if you like to have your hair up but you still want to be able to show your curls, this will be perfect for you. Starting off with my pintail comb, I'm going to take it and just slightly part down the middle just so I can get my front pieces out because I'm going to be using those for the first hairstyle. I always forget to note this, but all the products used in the video will be linked in the description. And then I'm going to be taking my jumbo goody hair tie and tying my hair up. I'm just going to be doing a simple bun. I don't do buns as much as I used to anymore, but I love a good bun for the summertime especially, and just in general, honestly. And with this, I don't really have any techniques to it. I just kind of tie my hair up, and I like it to be messy. I like my curls to be showing. You don't have to do the front pieces if you don't want to, but this is just how I like to do it sometimes. Super cute and simple. Next, if you know me, you know claw clip hairstyles are like literally my favorite thing ever. So first, we're just gonna be doing a simple one. I think this is actually like more than 10 hairstyles, but all these claw clip hairstyles are literally one, just different ways to do it. So here's the first way, just simple down the middle. And you guys saw my twisting technique, and you'll see them with the other ones as well. And then for the second claw clip hairstyle, I'm going to be putting my hair to the side, and we're gonna do a little side part moment and just flattening that down. One of my best friends bought me this green clip for my birthday along with some others, and I've been obsessed with this one. It just has like the perfect amount of like tightness and hold for my thin hair. Yeah, here's the side part one, and then we're going to be moving on to a 2 front braid one, which is the last claw clip hairstyle that I show. Normally with the front braids, I would braid from my scalp down, but I know a lot of people can't do scalp braiding, and so you can also braid off of your hair and it'll look just as cute. Next is this like halo braid hairstyle. I'm not really sure what to call it. I don't know if it's called a halo braid or a crown braid, whatever you want to call it. But I decided to take the front pieces of my hair out. I just like the front pieces of my hair out. Some people don't, some people do. That's just my personal preference. You can do whatever you please. And then for the braids, I'm just going to do a typical 2 pigtail braids. And I did go all the way down with my hair. I didn't put an elastic in just because it's easier to pin when there's no bulky elastic there. Taking my nice bag of bobby pins, and then I'm going to turn around so I can show you guys. You're going to take one side and just literally twist it up, and then right there is where you're going to pin it. And I actually do 2 pins and I crisscross them just to make sure it's stable. And then with the other side, you're going to do the same thing, and this side is going to go over where you last pinned it so that it's not showing, and then you're going to pin that side, and it's kind of going to go into the other braid so that the pins are hidden and everything looks nice and kind of seamless. Like, I like this hairstyle. I think it's cute. Okay, for this one, I like to spray a little water just for some slick back, and then taking my bristle brush and ensuring that my hair is nice and sleek. And then you're just gonna create a messy bun. It does not have to be perfect. Just make it like a cute type of messy, play around with it a little bit, and this is the results. Normally for all these hairstyles I would have my edges done, I just didn't feel like doing them, but it's still cute. And for this one, it's gonna be another slick back, but this one's gonna be a slick back ponytail. So I just parted my hair down the middle a couple inches back. You don't have to do too far. This is another one of the hairstyles that I used to do a lot When I was in high school, it was like just one of my go-tos, especially when my hair was growing out. It was just really cute, and I don't know, I always like the way my hair looks in a ponytail. Personally, just prefer my hair to be up anyways. This one is super cute. We're going to be doing some messy space buns, and you're going to part your hair over to the side, and then to kind of give that illusion that you parted it all the way down the middle, you're going to start from the middle of your head and just part down, and it's going to look like the lines are connected even though that they're not. I feel like I've been getting quite a few questions about that lately. And then I'm just taking 2 thin hair ties, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the bun. No certain pattern here. I'm just twisting it and kind of scrunching it together to my liking, making it as loose or as tight as you want it to be, and just kind of playing around with it to see what you like. Next, we're going to be doing another bun. This one is a sleek bun, and we're gonna put a little accessory in it, so it's gonna make it nice and cute and kind of like a classy look, I feel like, or a girly girl look, whatever you want to call it. So first I start with my hair in a ponytail, just to give the bun the stability that it needs. And then you're going to lightly twist it, not super tight, and then I'm going to twist it around my hair. And I just took a thin elastic just to hold it in place. I don't need too much security for this, just because I'm going to put another hair tie around it, which is this cute bow that I got from Target. I actually really like this hairstyle. I used to wear this hairstyle a lot when I was in high school and in middle school. And to make it shorter also, you can tie the front and it'll just look like the scrunchie, and it looks even cuter. I kind of like the short one. Next is another one of my favorites. I feel like a lot of these are my favorites, but easy hairstyles, you know. I actually challenged myself to part the back of my hair without looking, so this whole entire time I didn't look at the back part, and I wanted to see if I could part my hair down the middle without having to look at it. So we'll see how that goes. But this is going to be 2 bubble braids. It's a really easy hairstyle. I feel like people love bubble braids. I know I personally do. I feel like they are so simple, but they're so cute, and I just love them. So we're taking the elastics and we're just putting those in. I think I put at least like 6 or 7 rubber bands in my hair, and then I just started pulling them apart. And here's the reveal of the back. I think I did pretty good. Like, that line is like kind of crisp. It's a little bit crooked, but I was surprised. And then for this hairstyle, it's going to be a slick back braid, so you can leave your hair parted down the middle and the front, and then just go ahead and put it in a ponytail and start braiding the back. Super simple, super cute. I love doing this hairstyle. I think it's really good for like any type of classy look. Any type of slick backs are always so classy to me. And then I'm just going to put in a rubber elastic at the end to secure the hairstyle. Last hairstyle is these 2 low slick back buns, and I was debating on doing this because I was like, okay, well, is it considered a quote-unquote updo? I don't know, but I consider it an updo because it's out of your face and it's not, your hair's not down, you know what I mean? So we're gonna consider it an updo. But yeah, just did these 2 cute messy slick back buns per usual. Love them. My curls at the beginning of this video to now. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on 10 easy updos that you can do, and I hope they work for you at home. Thank you so much for watching.